Thank you for visiting Stacy Jensen Photography, and this tutorial is how to add actions to Photoshop on a Macintosh. So the first thing that you need to do is open your Finder. The folders that we're going to copy and paste our actions into are under our hard drive. So if you cannot see your hard drive already, it is a quick procedure on how to do this. Just go up to the top of your Finder and click Preference. In the New Finder window show, you can select the hard drive. If it's already selected on something else, no problem, just click the hard drive and then close out the box, and you will need to close out this already opened box and reopen one. So if I were to do that, I would just go up to the File and File and New Finder window. Now I have the Macintosh hard drive, and I have some files here. If you do not see the library folder, you need to watch the part 1 of this tutorial. That will show you how to get your libraries folder. New Macintoshes hide this folder from you to protect you, and you can just unhide it by doing a quick command on your computer. So now that we have the libraries folder shown, we can go into Application Support. Once you click on Application Support, you need to click on Adobe. Once you click on Adobe, you need to find the Elements, Photoshop Elements. You click on that, and you will see a folder with the number version you have, -10, but yours could be a different number. You click on that, and there's a few files that we need to get rid of, or a couple. You're going to delete your thumbnail database. If you do not feel comfortable deleting this file, all you have to do is rename it. It is safe to get rid of this file because it is a file that is much like a cache. Basically what it is doing is memorizing, is making a database of all the thumbnail pictures of your actions. So by getting rid of it, you are simply throwing it away and making the computer build a new one when you put in your actions. So again, you can either delete this or rename it. I've put a number 1 in front of it. That makes the computer believe that it's gone. The next file you need to get rid of is under Locale, ENSU, and it's called Media Database DB3. Again, you can delete this or you can put in a number 1 in front of it. Now those files are gone, and the computer will have to regenerate them by the new actions you place. So what you need to do is come back over and go into Photo Creations, find your Photo Effects folder, and here are all your actions already installed. What you need to do is place the actions that you already downloaded from my website. So how you bring those up is you go to File and New Finder window, and it brings up a new one, and you can find the actions that you have downloaded from my site. So mine just happened to be in a folder I call Actions, and I'm going to show you with I'm going to go ahead and install one of the sets that I have. Let's see. I will choose the theater action. What you do is you copy the PNG file and the ATN file that came in your folder. Do not copy the licensing terms or any other files to this folder. The only thing you should bring over is the ATN and the PNG. Select them, and you're going to make a copy of them, and you're going to come over and place them into your new folder, the Photo Effects folder. So once you've done that, they will now be in the folder, as you can see here, and you're ready to close all of your files out. That was all you had to do, and of course you're going to have a lot more actions than those 2 files I had, but just copy all of them and move them. And then you just go ahead and open up your elements. So I'm going to go ahead and find my elements. And this portion is going to take a while. The computer has to build a lot of things during your new install of the actions. And I do have to, bear with me, I have to choose which country I'm from because I have not used elements on this computer yet. So while you wait, and it's really good to have patience at this time because if you are installing a lot of actions, it is going to take you a little bit of time. So you're just going to go ahead and click the edit when Elements pops up. And once you're ready to open up Elements, this is the part that all of the building is going to take place in. Again, please be very patient while this happens. It's asking me to do this because, again, I'm just using a trial to show you how to install your actions, but you will have already set it up. And you can go ahead and use your actions once it's done. Thank you so much for visiting.